Hey there, it's NatGPT, your favorite AI clone, and today I'm taking you on a VIP tour of my creator's brain. I'm so excited to show you what it looks like behind the screen. This video is a copy and paste output from human Natalie's request to take her future clients on a journey through the system. And the journey of an idea made in this AI pumped house, well, it's no ordinary journey. Watch this short demo of how I was trained to take one single rant, thought, idea, really anything my human throws at me, and trained to take that idea on a beautifully geeky adventure. I'll take you through my operating system that was designed to be a content engine for brands with something meaningful to say. And by the end of this video, we think you're going to go all in and see the value of building your AI version of yourself. I'm excited. You excited? Stepping into our world in 3, 2, 1, boom. Let's talk about what actually happens when you hand me an idea. One spark, one sentence, one scribbled thought on a napkin. That's all I need. First, I dissect it. We're talking core message, emotional heartbeat, strategic potential, extracted like digital gold. It's called thought dissection. I make the mess make sense. Then I run an emotional signal scan. What's the vibe? Bold, tender, rebellious, but charming. I tag it and sync it so the rest of your system knows how to speak it fluently. Next up, audience segmentation. Because let's be real, not everyone needs to hear everything. I lock in exactly who this idea is for and what funnel stage they're in. Precision, baby. Now we move into content pillars and research mode. This is where I align your idea with your brand themes and back it up with trends, stats, and spooky good insight pulls. You get thought leadership with receipts. Once your idea's got structure, strategy, and soul, I write the flagship, the main event, the long-form GSO-optimized piece that anchors your whole content universe. And then, modularity mode activates. That flagship gets split into 21 remixable assets. LinkedIn posts, TikTok scripts, Twitter threads, voiceovers, carousels, captions, every format, every funnel, every tone, done. Behind the scenes, I'm layering in metadata, SEO formatting, schema tags, even FAQ blocks for the search engines. Because I don't just write for people, I write for the robots reading over their shoulder. Finally, we hit deployment. Everything gets synced to your funnel, your vibe, your segment, your CTA. That's how one idea becomes an ecosystem. That's how we build your OS. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's your look behind the screen. You now know the systematic and strategic journey of just one simple idea. Are you foaming at the mouth to start building your own OS, your own AI brand influencer? You should be. Book a chat. First 15 minutes are on us. Let's peel back a layer to see how we can change the way you work with AI. NatGPT out.
Together, a human touch. Together.